This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today we will show how you can check the cellular data usage on this device. So first of all, launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category. In here, go for the mobile network. At the mobile network page, choose what SIM card you would like to see the mobile data usage for. And at the dedicated SIM card page, you'll be able to see how much data have been used in the current period, which is a month, simply from the moment you've activated the SIM card, or should I say inserted it. The same goes for the other SIM card as well, just like so. And as a bonus, once you'll actually have any mobile data used by tapping on this app data usage section, which is unavailable in my case since my data usage is 0 for both SIM cards, you'll be able to see the detailed breakdown on how many megabytes or gigabytes of the cellular data have been used by each particular application. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.